Good morning, ladies. It is around 11 o'clock. I just got dressed. Still have to do my hair and makeup, but I wanted to go ahead and start the vlog for you ladies. It's just been a really slow morning. I've just been doing some stuff on the computer. And yeah, I just wanted to start the vlog and bring you ladies along. Hopefully find some homemaking motivation. I need to tidy up and clean the house. I was updating a few things for my channel this morning, the background here for my new channel name. So I was able to finish that and probably make another cup of coffee. Oh, I wanted to show you ladies, I ended up getting this on Amazon, and it is a silk hair mask, and I have one but it keeps like falling off, so I found this one on Amazon. It tightens here in the front, so I'll leave that below if you ladies are looking for a good hair wrap. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and get ready for the day. Yeah. Alright ladies, I am just working a little bit on my script for my upcoming video. It's for my new advice series video that I mentioned I was going to be doing for the new year. So I'm just working on that. I'm drinking my hydration drink. It is my colostrum, my electrolyte powder, a dash of cranberry, and a dash of lemon juice. So I like to drink that every day to get in my minerals and my electrolytes, and my colostrum for my gut healing. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get a coffee out because we're getting ready to head to town, get a few errands. We've been stuck in the house for a few days, so it's been storming out today. The sun looks like it's peeking out, so we're gonna try and head out for a little bit, and I'm gonna tidy up the house, maybe put away the dishes and clean up this mess.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back while I'm on a one-way track.
Alright ladies, we are back from town, and we just went to the market and got some lunch, and I ended up stopping and getting some sugar because I need to make my sugar scrub today because I'm all of that. It's really nice to do in the winter time just to get all that dead skin off, and it's so moisturizing. It's just sugar, olive oil, and then like you can put a couple drops of a special oil. I'll probably do like peppermint. And then I ended up picking up a planner for the new year. I thought this was very beautiful. I found it at Walmart. It's a biblical planner, so it just has little scriptures sprinkled throughout, and I really just need to be more organized this year when it comes to like my new goals for planning YouTube videos. And just something I want to use this for is to have like a daily healthy habit tracker, things that I do every single day to take care of my health, like my collagen powder, my electrolytes, things like that. So if there's anything that you ladies do that you find that be really helpful for your daily healthy habits, please let me know. And I'd like to do like a video on that as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and unload the dishwasher and then make that sugar scrub. And we'll see what else we can get into. Show you ladies these water drops I found. They're sweetened with monk fruit and stevia. Super clean ingredients. It's a concentrated raspberry lemonade flavor. And I actually ended up picking them up for my friend because she was talking about how it's so hard for her to stay consistent with drinking water. But then the kids got into it, so I'm gonna have to buy her a new one. But anyways, I thought I would show you ladies.
What it means to grow.
Recently received a Treadmill from YESOUL, and I'm so pleased with it. There have been many times where I wanted to go for a walk, but either my husband would get home late from work or it would be pouring rain or too cold out for the kids to come with me. And I've mentioned in my last video that walking has truly been so overlooked in the health community. And to name a few benefits of walking, Dr. Eric Berg, who I look for, as you know, at health advice, always mentioned walking for almost any health issue. And I've noticed myself when I'm walking, I significantly reduce my stress and my cortisol levels. And that is something that if you are a mother, you find yourself being in this constant state of fight or flight, and walking can turn that off. And it's very hard to lose weight when your insulin is high and your cortisol is always at its peak. So when you walk, it turns that off, and it's just overall so therapeutic for me, and I get my best ideas and insights while I'm walking. I've also noticed my midsection, like that stubborn belly fat, start to dissipate and become tighter, and the part of my stomach is more tone, and it just helped reduce my stress, which is one of the top priorities for me as a mom. And if you're a young mom or pregnant, or anyone, if you're older, I would definitely recommend getting an exercise bike or start walking to just improve your overall health. This treadmill is so easy and it's lightweight. It has a 1080 HD TV screen where you can go on walks from all around the world. You can tilt the screen to maybe work on your computer, just to try to avoid being sedentary and eliminating bad posture at your desk. And you can also screen mirror and watch shows or YouTube videos. If you're trying to find something and still haven't figured out what that could be for you, I highly consider walking. And if you're interested, I will leave this treadmill linked for you ladies below. Here I was just writing out a few of my healthy habits, one being apple cider vinegar in my liver tea, colostrum, matcha, electrolyte, mineral powder, my super greens, bee pollen, let's see, my prenatal vitamins, hi honey, oil of oregano, fasting, fiber, fermented foods, oil pulling, sunrise stretch, walk, treadmill, hair bonnet, collagen, protein, and dead bugs. So that is what I got so far.
Alright, good morning ladies. We are starting off where we left off last night. I have just been doing some things on the computer and working on my script for my next video, my advice series that I had mentioned. So, yeah, it is a gloomy day out today. I'm still in my pajamas. But I need to get dressed before Lydia wakes up, and I need to do my makeup and stuff. But I need to go to town today because, yay, I started my cycle. So I need to get a few things. We're out of coffee, so that's kind of crucial. We need coffee. Yeah, what else? I'm not for sure. It's just been a really slow morning and I'm trying to get moving. So I wanted to start the vlog because that really helps me. So yeah, I'm gonna hurry up and get dressed, do my hair, makeup, and then head out, and we will see what else we can get into. So.
Sideways, up or down, it's all the same. We will do it, we will do it. Sweet rain and honest truth is what I get from you. No matter how hard I get the blues, you keep me steady.
Alright ladies, I ended up making my oatmeal cookies, but I spared you the details because I make them so much. We were out of olive oil, but I used butter instead. Right now I'm listening to this video. It's from the Ellen Fisher podcast, Allison Armstrong, and she wrote the book, The Queen's Code. So it's kind of like the same principles and concept as the Empowered Wife. So I really am thinking about getting the book from Allison on the Queen's Code. But right now I'm just like dabbling in to make sure like I want to do that. But I just wanted to share that with you ladies. If you are interested, or if you like the Empowered Wife, then you'll probably like her. So yeah, I'm just listening to that right now, and probably going to try and fold some laundry and then just pick up around the house, you know, mess everywhere as usual. But Josiah's room isn't too bad, so let's go find them, see where they're at. What are you guys doing? Oh yeah, I see you're taking all Sissy's clothes out of the drawer and putting them in there. Lovely.
Full stop.
So I wanted to share a little tip if you ladies have little ones and you're trying to do laundry. I stumbled upon this on accident, but I'm going to do it every single time because it keeps them so busy. You'll see here in a minute. But when you were in elementary, did you ever have that big, huge, almost blanket where you threw over top and they got inside and hid? So what I did with this sheet is I like made a bubble out of it, and it constantly like kept them busy, like jumping on it. You'll see. But yeah, if I just want to share that because I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Because every time they would try to like tear all the clothes down and put them all over the floor, and it was very stressful. But yeah, I think I've discovered the trick here.
Good morning, ladies. It is a new day, and I think I have the same shirt on as the other day, but I washed it. Dad is home today, so I'm gonna sit down and try to do one of my advice series videos that I had talked about. So I have my little setup going over here. So we'll see how it goes. I have my notes on my phone, so I'm gonna try and put my phone right there and like try to read off of that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start that while Lydia is about to go down for her nap. I have to head out and get a few things in town, and then yeah, it's just gonna be a nice, cozy, relaxing winter morning. So let's just go ahead and get started.
So here I am just making my pink drink again, and it just feels so good to finally find something that you can do every day, little micro habits that truly benefit you in really major ways, getting in your minerals, electrolytes, and vitamin C all in the morning. It's just it just brings me so much joy. And not to mention the colostrum, which is so healing for the gut. And yeah, I highly recommend you ladies start this habit right away.
Alright ladies, so it's been a few hours. I finished up and then I headed to town and got a few things and just came back. Did a few loads of laundry, just played around with the kids for a little bit, and right now it is around 4 o'clock and I am getting ready to go for a walk outside because it is beautiful. Even though I have my treadmill, I really like to take advantage when Joe is here. So I'm gonna go and do that with Coda, and then I ended up picking up some pizzas just to have an easy dinner for tonight, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to eat before I walk. That way I can stop my fast and then start my walk after I eat. I like to do that just to help with like digestion, and then that will finish my fast for the evening. I'm trying to stop eating dinner around before 5 o'clock, and then I'll break my fast in the morning with my coffee, with my cookies. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we will get on with the evening.
Share scripture at Proverbs 16:24, and it says, "Pleasant sayings are honeycomb, sweet to the soul, and a healing to the bones." So like honey that is sweet and has health-giving and curative properties, our speech to ourselves and what we think about throughout the day can really have a healing effect on our whole body, our minds, our heart. And I just wanted to leave that with you because often, of course, this can be applied to our family members and those who we come in contact with, but we spend the majority of our times with ourselves and our thoughts and in our minds. So just remember that scripture, that whenever you're getting down on yourself or you're having intrusive thoughts or negative thoughts, just remember that you can build yourself back up if you just start to focus on what things are pure, what things are righteous, what things are good, and you can really have that pleasant saying and talk with yourself and in your mind to where you can have a healing. Well, ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's video and you found some homemaking motivation and you got inspired as homemakers, and I'm really excited for the new year and what's to come. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. All right, bye.